They were covering that entire field.
Whoa!
Now, whoa! It's a little scary.
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
Okay.
Man, it's really cool.
That's a lot.
Mommy, it's really cool.
Here comes a hawk.
Where?
Here comes a hawk.
Oh, you're right.
He's driving them all this way. That hawk is driving them all this way. Oh.
Trying to get the hawk. He's behind the tree.
Oh, weird. He's like
And all the birds would go
rounding them
away.
up. They know he's there.
Yeah.
Not that he's a threat. Whoa. It's just so amazing to see them all move and that part of the sky turns black.
Yeah.
Don't you mean that part of the horizon?
Right,
Yeah.
wow.
Mommy, those are blackbirds.